In this video I have a 2015 Mazda 3. This is actually the sedan version, and I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the mass airflow sensor. Now this is the one with the 2-litre petrol engine, and the only tool you're going to need is a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. So as you can see, I've already popped the bonnet. For those who don't know how to do that, go ahead into the driver's side of the vehicle and pull this lever here. Once you've done that, you're going to put your hand in just above the Mazda badge and push the lever to the right and open up the bonnet. And then we're going to go ahead and put this bonnet stay in that hole there. Once your bonnet's safe and secure, we can just go ahead, have a look around the engine. Obviously you've got your main engine block there underneath that plastic cover. We've got our battery there, fuse box, and then this is our air box. So you'll notice there's a little electrical connection and a couple of screws here. This is actually our mass airflow sensor. So to remove it, all we're going to do is take off the electrical connection by pushing in that button there, get our screwdriver and go ahead and undo the 2 screws fully. Once they're undone, we can actually just slowly remove the sensor itself. It's nice and simple to do, and this is what the mass airflow sensor looks like. So looking on the top there, this is an original Mazda product, and I won't read out the numbers there because I'd like you to check the ones on your own model because they could vary slightly. Or if you don't know which one needs to go back in, just check with your local parts supplier using your VIN number. If you don't know where your VIN number is, I've made a video on that too. Once you've got your new product, we're just going to do exactly the same thing but in reverse. Nice and neatly push it back into the hole, get your screws from earlier, making sure they're lined up. No need to do these up too tight. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace your mass airflow sensor on a 2015 Mazda 3 with the 2-litre petrol engine. If you found that video helpful, please do give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.